In this video, we will walk through the core workflow of the Equity-Based Lot Size Adjuster EA, a risk management-focused trading tool designed to dynamically adapt lot sizes based on equity percentage and predefined threshold levels. Although the structure shown in this clip is a simplified demonstration built inside FXdreema, the overview you are about to hear reflects the operational concept presented on the product page at Mqlrobot.com. This explanation is prepared for educational purposes for the viewers of Mqlrobot EAS. The primary objective of this EA is to allow traders to scale their position sizes automatically as account equity grows or decreases. Instead of trading with a fixed lot size, the EA compares real-time equity conditions with three predefined equity tiers. Each tier corresponds to a different lot configuration, enabling flexible and proportional risk exposure. At the entry level, the EA evaluates market conditions using moving average comparisons. When a valid buy or sell setup occurs, the EA checks which equity range is currently active. For example, if equity meets the first threshold, the EA will execute a trade using the base fixed lot size. If equity rises into the second or third tier, the EA automatically upgrades the lot size to match the selected percentage model. A grid distance filter is also integrated to prevent clustered entries by ensuring appropriate spacing between orders. The EA further includes profit-based exit logic designed to close trades when target thresholds are reached, alongside internal variable resets that maintain clean operation between cycles. This design helps traders enforce discipline, especially when using a scaling strategy. By allowing equity growth to dictate trade size, the EA supports consistent risk management while avoiding the common mistake of manual over-leveraging. However, before applying this EA to live trading, users should thoroughly understand the strategy, its risk profile, and the behavior of equity-based position sizing. It is strongly recommended to perform a detailed backtest using 99.9% tick data, analyze the drawdown curve, and confirm that the model aligns with your personal risk tolerance. This completes the overview of the Equity-Based Lot Size Adjuster EA.